Is that man seriously wearing the same shirt? Yeah. Well, we're back at it again, guys. This is Jim. We're going to do another cooking thing. I've been giving my friends crap online this whole past week about this corn salsa I've been making. And hey, it is freaking good. I've been really enjoying it. So I'm gonna give you my old recipe here. It's not complicated, super easy to make. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy my corn salsa fixin'. Great on burritos, burrito bowls. Hey, here's a little secret. I'm doing this at the same time I'm cooking the chicken, but it's gonna be a separate video. Hey, big YouTube thoughts. But yeah, here, I'll jump right into how I make it, and yeah. Now this is a recipe, as I said, it's super simple, okay? A toddler could figure this one out. But what we're gonna start out with, the main ingredient is corn. I'm not a huge fan of tomato in my salsa. Tomatoes and I have had a love-hate relationship since I was a wee child. But white corn, sweet white corn, not in cream, because I don't know if it's actual cream in there, but I don't want my lactose intolerance to kick it, because that's not a fun time. So yeah, 2 cans of whole corn. I'm going to be mixing it up in this here bowl-orama. And let's hop into it. And of course, we got to drain that corn juice, because corn juice is weird. Alright, 2 cans of corn in the bowl. Woohoo! There's one. Woohoo! There's 2. Oh yeah. First ingredient done. Hey, you could leave it at this if you're just feeling corn for the night, but we're gonna get a little pizzazzy. So next up, we're gonna have a little bit of red onion action. I am just gonna use about half a red onion because we're gonna have this raw, and my wife is not a huge fan of raw onions, but you gotta make do with what you got. And this, it tastes really good with some red onions, but we don't want it too overpowering, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it and cut it down real fine and such like this. Bam! Frickin' movie magic right there. Nice little finely chopped. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're adding this straight in a bowl, a little bit of texture. Frickin' bam! Oh. Sanitary. And next up, we got a spritzer of this lime juice, my favorite. Put in all sorts of stuff: bubbly water, drinks, corn, salsa. You know, we got that. We gotta add a little spice since it's like a south of the border kind of deal. We got ourselves a jalapeno here. I'm gonna go ahead and de-seed this, and make sure you don't put your fingers in your eyes. I do it too many times to even count. I tend to always grab these out with my nails, and then I get the fire under my nails, and yeah, great time. Now that I de-seeded these beautiful jalapeno slices, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them real thin. Let's do a little bit more of that movie magic. Hi-ya! It'd be really funny if I cut my finger there. Freaking bam! Nice and smally diced. Doesn't have to be perfect. And right in the bowl. Oh yeah. And we're gonna add about like this much cilantro. We're gonna cut up stems and all. Just nip the very bottom so you're not getting some dirt in there. But yeah, make sure it's all good leaves, and we'll chop it up finely and throw it in there. Just like that, finely the diced cilantro right in the bowl. Yeah. And we're gonna add the famous Jim special, a little bit of pepper. Oh yeah, a little bit of that salt. Oh yeah, that's looked good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and give it the mix up, and yeah, it's done. Corn salsa has been achieved, and boom, you should have something like this. Very nice, super easy to make, really quick. And yeah, we'll do a quick little taste test on your old chip. Oh yeah, like I said, this is great on burrito bowls, just straight on chips. It's a nice little topping that you can even put on nachos we had the other day, and that was really good. But yeah, let's give it a try. Got it fresh. The corn is just nice and sweet and juicy. That cilantro adds a fresh flavor. And the jalapeno and onion kind of give a little spice to it. They're 2 different types of spice. That lime juice in the background there, so nice. But yeah, super easy salsa. Recommend you give it a try. Throw it on something interesting. And yeah, let me know what you think. Peace out, guys. I appreciate you watching.